Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra 5G. First of all, let me tell you, whatever language you have on your tablet right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you here in the tutorial video will be always the same. Okay, first of all, we will need the settings. So just scroll down here from top and then you will have here always the symbol for the settings at the corner here. Just tap on it. Now we will need on the left side the point General Management, and in front of it you will find a gray icon with white things to adjust in it. Tap on it. Now we will need the first point Language on the right side. We will need the first point Language now on the right side, and then maybe you are having now a list here at the point Languages. And if your language is part of that list, maybe like in my case Deutsch, so German, then tap on it, go then after on the blue button to apply, and the tablet will be now in German. But what you should do if the language is not part of that list. Let me turn back into English here first so you can follow the video better. And I think you could imagine it already. We need the green plus symbol here to add a language. Tap on the green plus symbol to add a language, and I can choose one of the many languages. Okay, let's keep going on, maybe also here in English. And with the second step, we can choose now a local dialect. Maybe let's take here the dialect from the Philippines. So greetings, by the way. Then choose the most right one here to set it immediately as default. And then the tablet has changed this language into English with the dialect of the Philippines, or maybe in your case, another language. Yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And maybe if you want, you can have a look on one of my other videos or just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And maybe until next time. Ciao.